Hi guys, welcome to Exam Pad. In today's class, we are going to solve this algebraic problem and also learn how to solve these types of problem. Let's start with the solution. So here we are going to find the value of y. So let's begin with the solution. Okay. So here question is root y 12 which is equal to 729. We need to find y value. So we know that root x can also be written as x power 1 by 2. So just apply this rule here. Therefore this becomes y power 12 the whole power 1 by 2 which is equal to 729. So we know the another rule, that is a power m the whole power n can also be written as a power m into n, which means we can able to multiply the power, is it? So just we are going to multiply the power, therefore this becomes y power 12 into 1 by 2 which is equal to 729. Okay, 1 2 is to 6 2s are 12. So we get y power 6 which is equal to 729. Okay, so now we solve the left hand side. So we need to find the equivalent value for right hand side number. Okay, so just take this number, that is 729. In order to know the multiples, so we always choose the option as LCM. So here ends in 9, so let's start with 3. 2 3s are 6, balance 1, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 times, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 1 3 is 3. Again it comes in 3 table, and then 2 3s are 6, 7 3s are 21. Again it comes in 3 table, 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1. Okay, so which means 729 which is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 3 power 6. Okay, so just substitute this in the place of here. Therefore this becomes y power 6 which is equal to 3 power 6. So from this I can able, now I'm going to shift this number towards left hand side. Therefore which is equal to y power 6 minus 3 power 6 which is equal to 0. So I'm going to write the 6 as 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Is it? We know that, right? So just apply this here in the place of 6. Therefore which is equal to y power 2 into 3 minus 3 power 2 into 3 which is equal to 0. So we already saw a rule, that is a power m into n can also be written as a power m the whole power n. So now I'm going to rewrite this as y power 3 the whole square minus 3 power 3 whole power square which is equal to 0. Okay, so now if you see here, this is in the format of a square minus b square. The formula for this is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so just apply this formula here. Therefore this becomes y cube plus 3 cube into y cube minus 3 cube, is it, which is equal to 0. So now I'm going to make this as y cube plus 3 cube which is equal to 0 and y cube minus 3 cube which is equal to 0. So if you see here, this is in the format of a cube plus b cube, is it? So the formula for a cube plus b cube is equal to, so if you see this is in the form, this is in a cube b cube, so this is comes in the formula of what? A plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube which is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b, is it? So from here we can able to find a cube and b cube. So I need only a cube and b cube. I'll shift a remaining term towards here. Therefore a plus b the whole cube minus 3 into a square b minus 3 into ab square, which is equal to a cube plus b cube. So from this I can find the value for a formula for a cube and b cube is a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab is common. So 3ab into what? A plus b. Okay. So this is what the formula for a cube plus b cube. Similarly, the formula for a cube minus b cube means, so we need to choose the a minus b whole cube formula. So let's take this formula here. Okay. So from this I can able to write the formula for this is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Sorry, minus b cube. So this is what the formula. So just simplify this formula. Therefore a minus b the whole cube. So I need only a cube minus b cube. So the remaining is minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Is it? So just shift this term towards left hand side. For a minus b the whole cube plus 3a square b minus 3ab square, which is equal to a cube minus b cube. So from this I can find a cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b the whole cube plus 3 into a b into a minus b. Okay. So this is what the formula for this. So just apply these two formula in the place of here. Okay. Therefore, so now I'm going to write the formula here, that is a cube plus b cube, which is equal to what? A plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Okay. Similarly, a cube minus b cube can also be written as a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab a minus b. So this is the formula. So now I am going to apply these two formula in the question. So in question what we found lastly, that is x cube plus 3 cube is equal to 0. This is the one set we found, and another set is y cube minus 3 cube, which is equal to 0. This is what we found on the set. So just apply in the formula. For this becomes y plus 3 the whole cube minus 3 3s are 9y into a plus b, that is y plus 3. Okay, which is equal to 0. So from this becomes y minus 3 the whole cube plus 3 into 3 into 3 into y, that is 9y. So 9y into y minus 3, which is equal to 0. So if we see these two things, y plus 3 is common in both the terms. Just shift that. Y plus 3 is common. So if I take that, so remaining is y plus 3 the whole square minus 9y, which is equal to 0. From this, y minus 3 the y minus 3 is common. So if I take that, so remaining is y minus 3 the whole square. So plus 9y, which is equal to 0. So from this we can able to found two values, that is y plus 3 which is equal to 0 and y plus 3 the whole square minus 9y, which is equal to 0. This is the two set of value for y, and remaining is, from this I can find y minus 3 is equal to 0, and from this I can able to find y minus 3 the whole square plus 9y, which is equal to 0. Okay, so from these two equations we get y is equal to minus 3, and from this equation y is equal to plus 3. So we found two value for y, but we need to found the totally 6 value, because in question we have y power 6, which indicates the y has 6 values. So from this we need to found two value, from this we need to found two value. So just take this question, y plus 3 the whole square minus 9y is equal to 0. This is in the format of a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So just apply this formula here. For y square plus 2 into 3 is 6y plus 9 minus 9y, which is equal to 0. So from this I can able to find y square minus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. So for another set, so here we are going to take this question. So this question is y minus 3 the whole square plus 9y, which is equal to 0. This is the another set. So if I simplify, this is the formula of a minus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So just apply this formula in the place of here. So this is what the formula. Okay. For a means y square plus 9 minus 2 3s are 6y plus 9y, which is equal to 0. From this y square plus 9 plus 3y, which is equal to 0. Therefore, y square plus 3y plus 9 is equal to 0. So, if the both the question is doesn't solved by the factorization method, so now we move to the formula method. Therefore, formula was y is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So, here a is 1. Here b is minus 3 and c is 9. Okay. So just write a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 1. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 9 from this equation. So just substitute these two values in the questions in the formula separately. So therefore y is equal to minus 1 plus or minus minus plus 3 plus or minus the root of b square is minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1. Okay, divided by 2 into 1a into 1. So here if we apply this, y is equal to minus 3 plus or minus the root of 3 square minus 4 into 1 into, here c is 9, so here also 9, so here c is 9, so it's 9 divided by 2 into 1. Okay. So now we are going to simplify this. Therefore, which is y is equal to 3 plus or minus root of minus 3 square is 9 minus 9 4s are 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36 divided by 2. So therefore, here y is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus 36 divided by 2. So from this I can able to write the value for y. Therefore, so what we get there, y is equal to 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus 36 by 2. Here y is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of 9 minus 36 by 2. So if I minus 9 minus 36 is, so we need to find 36 and 9. So 2 balance 1, 6 plus 1 7, 27. So here get a sign as minus, therefore y is equal to 3 plus or minus root of minus 27 divided by 2. Here y is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of minus 27 by 2. Okay. Therefore y is equal to 27 can also be written as, so minus 1 which is equal to I. So just substitute that here. Therefore 3 plus or minus the root of 27I square. So minus 1 is equal to I square. So they put I square by 2. Therefore y is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of 27I square by 2. Okay. This 27 can also be written as 9 3s are 27 into I square divided by 2. Here y is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of 9 into 3 into I square by 2. So if we put 0 in a term of multiplication, we can put root individually. Therefore, which is equal to 3 plus or minus the root 9 into root 3 into root I square. This 9 is nothing but 3 square. Therefore y is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root 3 square into 3 into I square divided by 2. Okay, square root get cancelled, square root get cancelled, square root get cancelled, square root get cancelled. Therefore y is equal to 3 plus or minus 3 3s are 3 into I, 3I into root 3 divided by 2. Similarly here y is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 3 root 3I divided by 2. Therefore the value for y is, so y1 is we already found here, that is minus 3 and 3. So y1 is equal to minus 3, then y2 is equal to plus 3. So from this we can able to found y4, that is 3 plus 3 root 3 I by 2, which is equal to 3 by 2 into 1 plus root 3I, y4. Okay, similarly we will write y5 as 3 by 2 1 minus root 3I. Similarly here y3, which is equal to what? Minus 3 by 2 into 1 plus minus 1 plus root 3I y power 6, which is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 plus, minus, here we use this plus, so the minus root 3I. Okay, therefore the y value was minus 3, 3 and these two and these two. Okay, this is y4, y4, just remember that. So this is the final answer for this question. So practice twice and tries, then you will get a perfect answer. Have a nice day. Bye bye.